Hello, my name is Marija and I come from Croatia and I'm going to show you how to do the palachinka. First you add your eggs and then you beat them up slowly and then you add milk to it and vanilla. When all that is mixed nicely, add flour bit by bit, and when it's into consistency that is perfect for the palachinka, you start making them. All of it till you covered all your pan. Once your pan is covered, you put it on a plate on the stove and you cook it. So that's just when you lift it up like that a little bit, that's not ready. Had to be a little bit golden underneath. I think that one is ready. Just hold it while it's like down. Once it's nice and golden, you turn it around, you put the jam in, and you roll it up, and there's you are. There's your pancake, very simple. That reminds me of my country and my family being that traditional, especially on a Wednesday of the first Lent. Yeah, that's what I celebrating with this. And a kraftliner.
And how do you eat this? Would you have tea or coffee or?
Yeah, you can have a tea, you can have a coffee, you can have nothing, just plain as it is.
Okay, well thank you very much, Marija, for sharing your culture with us on Harmony Day. And
You're very welcome. I hope you would enjoy it when you're eating it. Happy Harmony Day.